Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 50 plus phrasal verbs for everyday actions. Turn on. Switch on. Can you turn on the lights, please? Turn off. Switch off. Don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving. Put on. Wear. It's cold, so put on your jacket. Take off. Remove. It's hot, so take off your jacket. Please take off your shoes here. Clean up. Tidy up. Please clean up your room before bedtime. Wash up. Wash the dishes. Whose turn is it to wash up? Wash up. Wash one's face and hands. Don't forget to wash up before dinner. Dress up. Wear formal clothes. We're going out, so let's dress up. Dress down. Wear informal clothes. You can dress down for this event. Get on. Board a train, bus, or plane. Let's get on the train before it leaves. Get off. Leave a train, bus, or plane. I'll get off the bus at the next stop. Get in. Enter. Get in the car, we are going for a drive. Please get in the house, we are going to close the gate. Look up. Search, find. You can look up the word in the dictionary. Look for. Search for. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Look after. Take care of. She looks after her mom. Can you look after my pets while I'm away? Walk in. Enter. He just walked in without knocking. Walk out. Leave. She got upset and walked out in the middle of the meeting. Walk away. Leave, walk off. He couldn't handle the argument, so he walked away. Walk over. Dominate. Don't let people walk over you. Stand up for yourself. Pick up. Collect. Can you pick up some groceries for me? Drop off. Deliver. I'll drop off the package at the post office. Run into. Encounter, meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the supermarket. Carry on. Continue. Let's carry on with our discussion. Cut in. Interrupt. Please don't cut in while I'm speaking. Cut up. Cut to pieces. Cut up the cake into equal slices. Hang up. End of phone call. I need to go. I'll hang up the phone now. Fill up. Refill. Don't forget to fill up the gas tank before the trip. Dine out. Eat out. Let's dine out at our favorite restaurant. Check in. Register one's arrival at a hotel. We need to check in at the hotel by 9 a.m. Check out. Pay the bill and leave the hotel. We have to check out of the hotel by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Stand up. Rise. Please stand up and introduce yourself. Sit down. Take a seat. Let's sit down and have a chat. Stand by. Support. I'll stand by you no matter what. Step forward. Come forward. It's time to step forward and take action. Step back. Retreat, move back. Sometimes you need to step back and rethink. Jump in. Participate. Feel free to jump in with your ideas. Jump out. Emerge. The answer will jump out at you if you think carefully. Drive off. Depart by car. He got in his car and drove off. Drive off. Drive away, dispel. You should drive off bad thoughts. Fly in. Arrive by air. Our relatives will fly in next week for the family reunion. Fly out. Depart by air. Tomorrow, the team will fly out to attend the conference in New York. Drop in. Visit informally. Feel free to drop in whenever you want. Drop by. Visit informally. He dropped by my house yesterday. Drop out. Leave, quit. He dropped out of school to pursue his passion. Put out. Extinguish. Can you put out the fire, please? Put away. Store. Put away your toys before dinner. Put together. Assemble. Let's put together the puzzle. Put aside. Reserve. Put aside some money for emergencies. Fall down. Collapse. Be careful not to fall down the stairs. Fall over. Topple. The vase fell over and shattered on the floor. Drive in. Arrive by car. He decided to drive in instead of taking the train. Drive out. Leave by car. Let's drive out to the countryside for a picnic.